So everyone wants to make more money. But the truth is, the fastest way to improve your financial life isn't always about earning more. It's about avoiding the mistakes that quietly drain your cash and keep you stuck. In 2025, some money traps are more common than ever. In this video, I'll walk through the 5 biggest mistakes to avoid, why they matter, and what to do instead. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, not having an emergency fund. This one sounds boring, but it's the foundation. If you don't have a cash buffer, one bad break can undo years of progress. Car repair, medical bills, job loss, all of those hit harder when you don't have savings. An emergency fund doesn't have to be huge to start. Aim for at least 1 month of living expenses. That means the basics you need to survive. Rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, transportation, and a minimum debt payments. Add those numbers together, that's your monthly baseline. If you don't have at least that much saved, your number 1 move is to build it. Right now, online banks are offering 4 to 5% interest on high-yield savings accounts. On $1,000, that's $40 to $50 a year, risk-free. Sure, it's not life-changing money, but here's the real value. When something goes wrong, you won't have to swipe a credit card and sink into 20% interest debt. The emergency fund buys you peace of mind and keeps you from falling into the debt trap. Mistake number 2, carrying high-interest debt. Credit cards are the fastest wealth destroyer out there. A lot of people keep balances thinking they'll pay it off later, but the average credit card interest right now is around 20%. That means if you owe $1,000 and only make minimum payments, it can take years to pay off, and you'll spend hundreds in interest. To put that into perspective, if you invested $1,000 in an index fund that earns 7%, you might double your money in 10 years. But if you carry $1,000 in credit card debt at 20%, you're sliding backwards every single month. If you're in this situation, your number 1 priority is to attack that debt. Make more than the minimum. Look into balance transfers with 0% intro periods, or consider the debt avalanche method, where you tackle the highest interest debt first. You can't build wealth while paying 20% back to the bank. Killing that debt is like giving yourself a guaranteed return on your money. Mistake number 3, chasing hype investments. Every year, there's some new trend. Crypto coins, meme stocks, AI penny stocks, you name it. Social media makes it worse. You see someone bragging about doubling their money overnight, and it's tempting to throw cash at the same thing. The problem is, most people buy hype investments at the top. By the time it hits your newsfeed, the smart money is already cashed out. That doesn't mean you should never take risks, but there's a difference between putting 5% of your money into something speculative and betting the whole farm. The proven way to build wealth is boring. Broad index funds, retirement accounts, diversified investments. If you want to gamble with hype plays, fine. Just treat it as fun money. Don't confuse gambling with investing. Remember this, if you put $1,000 into a risky stock and it drops by 50%, you now need 100% gain just to break even. It's a hole that's hard to climb out of. Mistake number 4, ignoring retirement accounts. This one is painful because the opportunity cost is so big. Too many people put off investing for retirement, thinking they'll do it later. But the earlier you start, the easier it gets. Let's do some math. Say you invest just $200 a month in an index fund inside a retirement account. Over 30 years, with a 7% average return, that grows to about $240,000. If you wait 10 years to start, the same contribution only grows to $113,000. That delay costs you over $120,000. The reason is compounding. Time in the market matters more than timing the market. If your employer offers a retirement plan with matching contributions, do not ignore it. That's free money. If not, open an IRA or equivalent account in your country. Even small amounts add up. The worst mistake isn't picking the wrong fund, it's not starting at all. Mistake number 5. Not tracking your money. You can't manage what you don't measure. A lot of people don't actually know where their money goes each month. They guess. That's why they feel broke even when they make decent money. In 2025, there's no excuse for this. There are dozens of free or cheap apps that link to your accounts and show exactly where your cash is going. Mint, YNAB, Monarch, Rocket Money, take your pick. But you don't even need fancy tools. A simple spreadsheet or notebook works. Track your income, fix bills, and spending categories. Even writing it down for a month can be eye-opening. When you see that $400 a month is going to delivery apps, you suddenly realize you're spending nearly $5,000 a year on takeout. That awareness alone can change your habits. Without tracking, you'll always feel like money is slipping through your fingers. With tracking, you're in control. So here's a quick recap. The 5 biggest money mistakes to avoid in 2025 are: number 1, not having an emergency fund. 2, carrying high interest debt. 3, chasing hype investments. 4, ignoring retirement accounts. And number 5, not tracking your money. Avoiding these mistakes is often more powerful than chasing the next big opportunity. Because money isn't just about growing wealth, it's about protecting what you already have. Here's some closing thoughts. If you take nothing else from this video, remember this. Building wealth is simple, but it's not easy. The basics, saving, avoiding debt, investing consistently, will outperform almost anything else if you stick with them. So before you look for the next big side hustle or the hottest stock tip, make sure you're not falling into these traps. Protect your money and the growth will come naturally. Which of these 5 mistakes do you see most often? Or maybe have made yourself? Drop a comment below, I'd love to hear your experience. And if you want to see how I'd actually invest $1,000 the right way in 2025, check out this video next. Subscribe to Wealthcraft for more practical money strategies each week. See you in the next video.